Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your Saad, and today we're diving into something every fashion entrepreneur needs to know: how to find the best clothing manufacturer for your brand, especially when it comes to custom streetwear. When it comes to streetwear, finding the right manufacturer can make or break your brand. You need someone who understands trends, can handle different production techniques, and most importantly delivers high-quality work on time. That's why today, I'm going to introduce you to Tailor Made Apparels, a game-changer in the world of custom streetwear manufacturing. At Tailor Made Apparels, we specialize in everything from screen printing, puff printing, DTG, DTF, to embroideries, rhinestones, acid washes, and even blank apparel. Whether you're looking to design hoodies, t-shirts, sweatpants, or even more complex garments, we've got you covered. What sets us apart is our ability to handle minimum order quantities MOQ of just 50 pieces, with an incredibly fast 14-day turnaround time. This means you can get your products quickly, even if you're a new or growing brand. And it's not just about the production, it's about creating pieces that resonate with your brand's identity. We use top-tier fabrics and state-of-the-art technology to ensure every piece is something you'd be proud to sell to your customers. So, if you're looking to create premium, standout streetwear for your brand, Tailor Made Apparels is the partner you need. Whether it's screen-printed oversized hoodies, puff-printed tees, or acid-wash streetwear, will help you bring your vision to life. Contact us today on WhatsApp at 923-286-43379 or email us at tailormadewares@gmail.com. So, whether you're just getting started or ready to scale, let's make your streetwear brand the next big thing. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about working with us.